Menteri Ketenat PHE Marcuise and Marak ulakan taj ke Jingleh bagi Sarkar Jingleh Shilliang daga baai kontrak kumba syahajar kendai sepak keluar tengkah syaka company BAC Infratech Private Limited na Hyderabad. Berulong bagi daga babakla bat ke bamdan nongrim. Daga baong bagi Ketenat PHE kayat bat buat perking ya berok ki kendor leng baga tender committee ke bakhoj bansam ki kontrak bagi Sarkar Kamshim Jingleh Shilliang Khmat kumbala kenor. Halur ke skim Jal Jeevan Mission ke Balamang Ndrew hajar nyo spalai punyo point sau khandai keluar tengkah. Menteri ula pensyai bagi ni kam barok lasam syaki kontraktor bagi company boper ke bagi international. Ndrei ke projek bahek kum ke JJM jika bad Amrut 2.0 ke Sarkar Pedeng. Ke Sarkar Jela ke haban buat iki kendon turnkey bad EPC lane engineering, procurement and construction guidelines. Kebamut bagi company ke biyo tender ke deban synahi nadong syadong naduk ke design haduk banda IT syaka Sarkar. Menteri ula penpau bagi ke company na Hyderabad ke yo ke kam dai namar bagalabiang ki jingdan kam technical bagabor pentrai kam hakapor bidding bagam dai setia bagi Sarkar ke leak kat bagamon. Ula batha iki bapan RTI ban pensisha bahai jing shisha shwa ban permit kubor. Bot ula kedau bagi kontraktor Trashnong kilala ban syem iki kam EPC bat turnkey kilong beduna bah namar kini ki kam ki bakhya. Kumta ki company na bahar kiyo ki kam tang namar ke jing tebet bat kabor pentri kam jongki.
Government is favoring. They got the projects probably because it has gone through the tender, whichever is required. As per the tender process, they have got it. So therefore, there's no question of favoring anybody there. I would say this is totally incorrect. PHE department follows all the norms which has to be adhered to, especially in considering the contract works to everybody. Especially with regard to JJMs, I would say there are, total cost of JJM 6,737.1409 crore. Covering 3,762 standalone firms, standalone schemes and provisions of pipe water supply to schools and Anganwadi centers and other public institutions. And this has been, distributed across various local contractors and firms. And government is very, particular about following the norms. There is a tender committee also. Tender committee is headed by Commissioner Secretary, PHE, and officers from Finance Department and Law Department is also there. So all the norms are adhered to, and we don't simply favor anybody the way the paper has been alleged. So therefore, I will totally deny this. I don't agree with this. This is totally incorrect. Good that you have filed an RTI and you have gone through it. That is very good. You should file RTI. You should know the projects, how many projects have been sanctioned, what is the amount, and whom you have given the work. But after getting the report, if you simply start blaming, then that is totally incorrect again. So I would urge anybody who is filing RTI to verify it first. Go to the grounds and then come to the conclusion saying, oh, this has happened. So therefore, I would totally disagree with this statement. And PHE department has gone through all the norms, and we didn't favor anybody. And best practically, I would say that big projects like JJM, JICA, Amrut 2.0, NESID, O3, etc. This has to be tendered as per Government of India directed. Some of them have been given turnkey basis, and some of them has been given on EPC. You know that EPC, engineering, procurement, and constructions, which means it will start the design also, it will construct, and it will finish. And once it is finished, it will hand over to the department. So therefore, our local contractors, whoever will be capable of doing this, is very less, I would say. Practically, because the tenders are so clear and so transparent, there's no scope of manipulating or favoring anybody. So therefore, I totally don't agree with that. We have not been able to pay JJM bills till now. and it is not because of the government of Meghalaya or just not because of the PHE department. It is from the government of India. There are lots of conditions and criteria that government of India has given. So now, government of Meghalaya PHE department specially has done all the conditions, has completed all the conditions. Certain issues are there, Jal Ankalan, where we have achieved more than 70% also, there also. So we are almost completed the conditions given by the Jal Shakti Ministry, Government of India, so that the payment can start. But there are certain issues still now. You know, the issue was that under tight fund, 15 Finance Commission, the government of India has given money to district councils, 3 district councils. So around, I think, 45 crores it was given in the year 21-22. Now government of India is asking the utilization certificate from them. So some of the district council has not completed the utilization certificate submitted with regard to that particular money. So therefore we are awaiting. So we just apprised Honorable Chief Minister about that, and he has directed the Chief Secretary, Additional Chief Secretary, to have a separate meetings with district councils so that the utilization certificate will be submitted, and accordingly we'll be able to claim the JSM payments from the government of India.
Lily, Pikalan.
Kanda pi tharai kan ni kapisa. Kali jauh na kan ni? Ba, ka hospital te kala ajngai nang ni.
Binti Ashwa hang ni hadu nda de por kamu.
Sister, hap siu kat no ma?
Ka sarkar kala siulut iki jingleh jing separo. Namar man ka wei pa ka wei ka min siem ka long ka bakordor.